MyChart. We talk a lot about MyChart, but some new things that we just happened yesterday, actually, and today. Can you tell our community how can they pay their bills online?
MyChart, if you have that app already, you can go through the MyChart and there's a button there that you can click and see your bill and you can pay your bill directly from that. So that's if you've already signed up for the app and have that. However, if you don't, there's also now a link that is on our woodlawnhealth.org page, our main page, that you can click pay your bill at the top, and that will take you to a MyChart as a guest. You can put in the information requested and you can pay your bill there online as well. So it's a way for you to pay your bill where you do not have to specifically download the MyChart app and have your own access to it. Some people choose not to use those accesses, and that's perfectly fine. We just wanted you to have another way to be able to pay your bill conveniently, and this is another way to do that. Right. So that is up and running.
I know, it's exciting. So if you go up to our website, there's at the top on the mobile and even on the website, it says pay my bill. Click there and you'll get the directions to do it as a guest. So
it's pretty simple to do too. It only asks a couple basic pieces of information to verify, you are who you say you are and which bill you're paying, and it's done very quickly. So much more efficient than what we've been able to do in the past. So we're happy about that.
Yeah, we're very happy that was able to go live this week. Is there any more updates that are going to be coming to MyChart in the near future?
Yeah, at some point you will be able to self-schedule in the next couple months. We're working through that process. It takes a little more time than you think to set it up, simply because the visits that we're going to allow, they really need to be those acute visits for relatively minor things, because we block a specific amount of time on the schedule for those. So these are kind of visits set up for that, that earache, that sinus infection, that, quick, oh, doggone it, I need a refill, and a quick, blood pressure check, those kinds of things. Something that takes a relatively small amount of time. What they're not for is, hey, I need to go in and do my annual physical and checkup, and by the way, I hurt my back last week and stubbed my toe and all those other things, because the amount of time needed for that is much different. And so we don't want to cause trouble for, let's say, somebody else who's scheduled an appointment later after that one, and we get delayed because of that. So we're working on that. That will be up and running early next year at the latest, probably shooting for somewhere towards March or April. And so that will allow you to get online, look and find a visit, click on it. It'll also allow you to be put on a waiting list in case an earlier visit pops up. So, or reschedule an already existing visit. So a lot of things that'll be coming up with MyChart here in the next couple months.
Yeah, that's it. And we're very excited about that and create more access for our community.